If you thought accepting money from users takes time to build, I'm here to show you how you can do it in less than a minute. Hi everyone, I'm Romy and I explore tools and tech which can help you create things. By the way, if you like this content, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. So there are a few ways in which you can sell things without a website. I'm talking especially about digital products which don't involve shipping and tax logistics. For example, it could be a paid Zoom event, an ebook, a video course you've recorded. You get it, right? The possibilities are a lot. So we've talked about Gumroad before on this channel, which lets you set up these products super easily. Or you could use Buy Me a Coffee Extras, or even use a form product like Typeform, which lets users pay you through a form. I'm so excited to show you an even faster way to do this. This product is called Payment Links by Stripe. If you haven't heard of Stripe, anytime you are making a payment online through your credit card, most likely Stripe is powering it. So think of it, when you're ordering an Uber or Lyft, or even doing some online shopping on Target, all those websites are using Stripe to power the credit card payments. They put out this product called Payment Links, which gives users a way to easily accept credit cards or payments for the product. And by users, I mean any users. Even our parents can use Payment Links. It's that simple. So let me show you a 10-minute product demo. I'm just kidding. There's no product demo. There isn't much to show you because I timed myself and it takes less than a minute. Okay, I'm logged into my Stripe account. Go to products and you will see Payment Links. Let's click on that and then we'll add a new link. Once I'm in it, I can either choose an existing product or add a new product. I'll add a new product. We'll fill out some basic product details, give it a name, and maybe even other optional details like a description and an image. The price can be one time or recurring. I'll go with $10 one time. Let's add this product. On top of that, we can do a few customizations, like allow for promo codes and let users pick their quantity. And maybe even let users pick their billing address, which I'll leave out for now. Then we create the magic link. Now it's ready to share. It could be on your Instagram or your website or text messages, and people can use it to buy this product. This is what users will see when they go to the link. They can adjust the quantity and add a promo code since we picked those options. And all they need to do is put their credit card. You're probably wondering how Payment Links compares to other services like Gumroad. Does it compromise on any other stuff? Let's talk about that. So actually, Stripe is the cheapest way to do this. Stripe's fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents for every credit card transaction. A lot of the other products we talked about, like Gumroad, actually use Stripe to build their products. So of course, they're a little bit more expensive than Stripe, even if it's just a few cents per user. Simple economics. Otherwise, that'll just be a terrible business model. So here are the limitations. Payment Links just helps you accept payments. So don't expect it to do other things like sending an email with the actual product once a user has paid for it. Tools like Gumroad actually have this built in for you. So you have two options. Either you send out the product manually, or two, you could automate it, if it's a digital product, by using something like Zapier. It's pretty easy to set up, but I want you to be aware that you have to do that yourself. So why would you use Payment Links compared to a service like Gumroad? I would say, apart from the cost factor, use it when you don't need the marketing. I mean, don't use Payment Links to explain what your product is in detail or even market it for you. You have to do that in other ways. So either you have this website which explains what your product is and then just have a buy button, which is a Payment Links page. Or an even simpler example, maybe we've met in person and I've convinced you in person what my product is about, and then I just send you a link to actually buy the product. That's it. I won't use Payment Links to completely explain what my service is. Now, if you look closely at a Payment Links page, it does have a description, but that description more or less looks like a line item, and probably not something that will convince you to buy the product in the first place. And of course, Gumroad comes with other features like having user profiles where you can group all your products in one place, or even a discovery mechanism where people can go onto Gumroad and discover the product they want to buy. Now, Stripe has none of that yet. You may also be wondering if Payment Links is scalable. Well, for payments itself, I wouldn't worry. It's powered by Stripe, so it can handle millions and millions of payments. But the only part I would set up for scale is the automations to make sure people are getting your product automatically, so you don't have to manually do that for every user. One last note though there is that Zapier is only free for 100 automations. So if you're using Zapier, you may have to factor in that cost as well. Okay, so my goal is to make you aware, of the pros and cons of, payment links, so you use it for the right use case. Look, there's no bad tool, just a bad tool choice for the situation. I mean, less than a minute to set up a payments page, which is so complicated on the back end. Yeah, you really have no excuse not to charge for your product or service. Bottom line, payment links should definitely be a tool in your toolkit. Leave a comment, okay, if you tried it. And I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.